Do you have some examples or an example of a successful hardware microsegmentation implementation that you've rolled out?
The best scenarios that I can describe are those scenarios in which there's a massive differentiator when compared to software. When you have a typical enterprise solution, a typical enterprise use case that can be solved via A or B, then it gets a little bit more blurry in terms of the actual value. But there are certain use cases in which hardware microsegmentation just knocks it out of the park and you can see the value immediately. One of those examples is the plant floor. When you have a plant floor, that could be in critical infrastructure, it could be in manufacturing, it could be in healthcare, it could be in energy. You have, again, really old machines, legacy, you've got unmanaged machines, you've got dumb computers, dumb machines, you've got extremely high uptimes, because those are critical machines. Those are machines that if they're down for an hour, it could cost you millions for just 1 hour downtime. So it's not like you can just reconfigure, troubleshoot, and try things out like you would do on a standard IT environment. You have to be laser focused. You have to be razor sharp in terms of the speed of execution, the accuracy of execution. So in those scenarios, hardware microsegmentation thrives. So when you have a plant floor with 50, 60, 100, 200 of these machines, and you already have a network that's been in place for a while, and you need to just get in between to provide that segmentation without changing anything to the assets or to the underlying network, but you still need that to be deployed, that's the best scenario that I can give you. We have a customer that has CNC machines, hydraulics machines. They have an 802.11 network that was deployed a long time ago. Still new, but it wasn't deployed as part of our deployment. They said, we need this, and this is what we have. Can you help us? And we were able to breeze in and smoothly deploy and get them up to speed. And not only they were operational without an outage of more than, I want to say, 3 minutes per machine.
Wow.
Yes, they were fully operational, but they were immediately seeing the value of the microsegmentation at the same time that never lost more than 3 minutes of outage. That was a really neat and smooth deployment.